All right, pour in the vinegar, buddy. It's not gonna blow up yet, Boogie. There's more to be done. Good job.
Didn't you hear it?
I did.
The leaves off.
Want some help? All right, that's probably good. Go. Pull out the funnel.
Ah!
You forgot to pull out the funnel.
It's exploding. Put that on. It's not doing anything.
Because you left on the funnel.
I guess I'm bloated. Do we have
You want to do one, Bailey? All right, you're good. Good job. What do you guys think?
put some more?
Come on, buddy. Bailey, go get your paper.
Okay.
Paper. For the bottom of yours. All right, what are we setting up for?
For tie-dye.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bailey, you ready? All right, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try to show you guys what to do. See how I got the rubber bands, Bailey?
I do.
Bailey, you see the rubber bands?
I
That's
do.
my lines for where I'm gonna put the stuff. You see it, Jay?
Mm-hmm.
That's the lines for where I want to try
I
to
can
put
see
stuff.
it in the camera.
So I'll start off with one of Bailey's colors. Should I do pink? Pink? Okay. So I'll take the pink. Oh,
Look
see? This
today.
is why you gotta be really careful. And you're supposed to be wearing gloves, and I am not.
Yes.
You sure? Okay. Now that I got gloves on, let's try this again. Since I already turned.
That was a bad idea, Dad.
Well, I already turned some of my fingers pink, so. All right, Jay, Bailey, listen to me now. This is how this works. You don't want to get everything done and all up in the way. So you gotta be careful with how you place stuff. So I'm setting this down. I'm gonna use some pink on here. So I'm just gonna lean it over and put it on. That's what I'm literally gonna do. I'm literally just gonna spray it down, and it's running right off of it. Okay. So I'm gonna spray on this pink as heavily as I want. See how hard it is to do though? So guys, you gotta be really careful, okay? You can turn it off, Jay. All right, guys, great job, both of you. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap these in plastic, and then tomorrow we'll be able to see what they turn out like. Sound good? All right.
The next day.
You got it going? You excited to see how yours look? Mine didn't look great, so I hope yours do. You ready to do yours too?
Yeah.
You gotta wait for Jay to get done with his first one, and then you can do your first one. Do the hat first for Jay, and then the shirt. Is that right? You gonna go over there and rinse it off? You need some help with that rubber band? How's it look, buddy? Don't put it on your head yet. We gotta rinse it out, remember? Very cool. Go rinse it.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Remember, you gotta get all the dye drippings out of it. You want help? Hey, stop. Watch where you're spraying. Let me see. All right, Bailey, rinse it off. Not at us.
I don't care if I get wet.
Get your bandana real clean.
I don't care if I get wet. But, yeah. No.
Bailey, stop.
I'm already wet.
How's your shirt look?
Cool.
Good job, buddy. Rinse it out. Rinse it off now, please. Jay, how's it going? Is your shirt all rinsed yet? What are you doing? You like it? Yeah. Go rinse it off. Jay, we turn it on for her? Bucket, oh, tie-dye. All right, Bailey. Jay, give it to Bailey. Don't spray him.
I don't care if I do.
Bailey. All right, Bailey. Rinse your stuff off
What
now.
if I say? Dad, don't put this stuff in the wash.
Okay. You want to wear it for pajamas tonight?
Yes.
Okay. You want to wear yours for pajamas tonight? Yeah.